As Rockwell's digital services arm, our team of consultants bring digital solutions to product problems by weaving the digital thread throughout your company and enabling the shift from industrial automation to autonomy.
For over 20 years, Kalypso has been a global leader in integrating PTC software, helping businesses achieve results by connecting every part of the product value chain with PTC solutions. Having won PTC's Partner of the Year award multiple times in digital engineering, manufacturing, and digital thread categories, we constantly deliver results that make a real difference for our customers. With a team of over 500 global practitioners with PLM, CAD, industrial IoT, and augmented reality experience, we offer deep industry expertise, comprehensive software services, and a strategic partnership with PTC.
Kalypso's been a platinum sponsor of PTC User for the last 3 years, and our team members, several of whom came from the industry, have participated in the event for over 15 years now. And this event offers an opportunity to learn from peers, understand what our customers are looking for, get insights on the product roadmap, and of course, showcase new and emerging offerings. We're looking forward to this year and looking forward to seeing you there.
We'll have a presence both on the show floor as well as various different sessions where we'll be covering topics like systems engineering, manufacturing, process management, and our digital value accelerator, which is focused on really helping identify and shape the roadmap for digital capabilities, as well as the business case to get started. Look forward to seeing you there.
PTC User is a valuable opportunity to get together, users, implementers, customers, and peers alike, to learn and grow with the ever-changing landscape of PTC technology and updates, and to network with those who have navigated similar problem-solving journeys to yours. See you there!